Thanks for joining MatherPE for the Flappy Bird Push-Up Challenge. I'm using an Instagram visual effect to play some Flappy Bird, but in order to get a workout, I'm going to do it in plank or push-up as I navigate Flappy Bird through the pipes in order to get a high score. This is not my first attempt, and if you're chasing a high score, you can get a really good arm workout with this. You can compete with yourself or compete with a friend by recording your screenshot. I'll put up a link to a video that will show you how to enable screen recording. Sometimes the pipes line up nicely for you and you can hold a plank. Sometimes they are up and down and you've got to lower or raise yourself carefully to make sure you get through the next set of pipes. You can grab some bonus points if you see a cherry on the board and you can grab it, or you'll also get bonus points when you change level, and you'll notice this happens when the pipes change color. As soon as I crash here, I'll show you quickly how to set up Instagram so that you can do the Flappy Bird Push-Up Challenge and give it a go on your own. Here's how to set up for your iPhone. Press on Instagram and then roll to the left until you get to the hands-free option, because you need those for the planks and push-ups. Then you're going to roll through the visual effects until you get to Browse Effects. When you get to Browse Effects, press on it, and it'll come to the effect gallery, and you can search for Flappy Board. It's spelled differently. It's spelled B-O-R-D after the Flappy. And when you search for that, it will bring up the visual effect. You want to click on this. And in the bottom left, you'll see Try It. Now you're all set. Now you take your phone, set it up on something so it works for you, get into a push-up or a plank position, and you're ready to go. Good luck. Go get it.